guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. I'm so glad you guys can make it. It has been 3 days since I vlogged, I think, or filmed, and I wanted to hop on here and give you guys an updated teeth cleaning routine because I remember before when I had my braces, I loved filming videos about my braces and my cleaning routine and like how I maintain my braces, and those videos got a lot of exposure. You guys really enjoyed watching them, so I thought I'd bring them back. Even though I don't have braces anymore, I did want to give you guys like an updated cleaning routine and like how I clean my teeth because I have not filmed one of these videos in a long time. I don't have a retainer, if you guys did not know. I literally broke my retainer within the first week of getting my braces taken off. So sadly my teeth have actually reverted back to where they were when I first got my braces, so that kind of sucks. I was a waste of $3,500, so yay. But I did want to hop on here and just kind of give you guys a cleaning routine. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. I do not use an electric toothbrush because I used to, but I found that these types of toothbrushes are literally so good, and this is just a Walmart brand and it's a purple toothbrush. I go in the back, up top, and then I make sure to get behind my teeth too, because you know you gotta clean back there too. And then I'll always go in circular motions and I'll brush my teeth for at least 2 minutes, because brushing your teeth for 2 minutes is essential so that you get your teeth super duper clean and you also get your teeth clean. I brush my teeth twice a day, and if I eat something like really stout like garlic or onions, I will make sure to brush my teeth after I use that too, because I hate bad breath and I hate having bad breath in general, and I don't want to get up in someone's face and then my breath stinks really bad. So this comes to the rescue. Now I floss my teeth 1 time a day. This is just like, it's broken, but this is floss from Young Living. It is their Thieves dental floss, so it's all natural, but I don't sell for them anymore. But this is the only type of dental floss that I use. It is amazing. I love it. It's literally amazing because you never know when you're gonna have stuff in your teeth. When you start flossing, you might find a few little treasures in your teeth that you didn't know were there. So dental floss is amazing. You need to floss your teeth at least once a day, maybe more if you have stuff all up in your teeth, but dental floss is essential and you need to floss your teeth at least once a day. I prefer to do it at nighttime because that's when I finished eating everything, and when I brush my teeth at night, it's literally when I'm done with everything. So that's why this has come to the rescue. Now I wanted to get a brand new box of my toothpaste because I wanted to show it to you guys, but I just use the Crest 3D White Arctic Fresh in, I don't know, it's an improved formula as you can see, and this removes up to 90% of surface stains and starts whitening after 1 brush. So this is a really good toothpaste. I really like this toothpaste. It has helped me ever since I got my braces taken off, and I know a lot of people are scared that when they get their braces taken off they're gonna have little white squares if they did use whitening toothpaste, and I did not use the whitening toothpaste when I had my braces because my orthodontist told me not to, because underneath your teeth you could get white squares and it's just like a big no-no. So this is what I use. And then for mouthwash is a big one because mouthwash is going to help your breath stay fresh all day. I used to use TheraBreath and I loved that stuff for a long time, but then I found this one. Oh my gosh, the cap just popped off. Okay, I love this one. It is Clinical DDS Activated Oral Rinse, and it actually has like 2 sides. It's an AM and a PM rinse. I don't know, I use both of them at the same time, and this dental floss is amazing. I really like it, and it literally saves my breath. Like, I don't know, but my dental doctor, whatever you want to call it, recommended this to me, and I really like it. It's a lot better than TheraBreath, and it makes your breath smell fresh for a long time. And then for brushing your tongue, because that's an essential part, I usually just use the back of my toothbrush, or I will use like the front of my toothbrush, or I'll have a separate toothbrush to brush my tongue. And then I also have these tongue scrapers that I got on Amazon. I will link those down below because they are literally a lifesaver. I don't have any to show you guys right now, but they are amazing. So that's literally it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe down below and turn my bell notification on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Bye-bye.